Hello friends, in this video we will see how you will submit your monthly tour plan. To submit your tour plan, you need to log in your Ops CRM app with your login details and then click on menu button, then click on tour plan and then select the month for which you are going to plan. Like I am selecting here December 2020. Now after that it will show you all the dates of the selected month. You can scroll on the right side of the screen to see all the dates. Now you need to click on the date for which you want to submit. Click on it and then click on OK. After that you need to select the working type. I am selecting here working because I will be on the field working. And then in the planned area list column you need to add planned area by clicking on this plus icon. In the from area you need to click on this pencil icon, select the from area, click on done. Then in the to area again click on this pencil icon, select the area, click on done. Now you can add multiple areas by clicking on add planned area, this plus icon. Again go to this pencil icon, select the area, click on done. If you're coming back to the first place, go to area, go to this pencil icon, select the area, click on done. Now coming to the client, you can select the client. For selecting it, click on this pencil icon, select the client. You can also filter the client by clicking on this filter button which is on the right bottom of the screen. Filter it and then click on done button. The way we have selected this client, we can also select the retailer. Click on this pencil icon, select the retailer. If you want to filter it, then filter it, then click on done. Now in the visit with, you can select your senior and junior's name with whom you will visit on that date. Click on this pencil icon, then click on the filter button, select the junior or senior, select it and then done. Then in the remark box you can type any remarks if you have for that date. Then click on this plan and then click on OK to save it. Now click on another date to submit for that date. Like I am doing it for 9th of December now, click on OK. We'll repeat the same process. Select the working type, selecting training here. Then add the planned area list, click on this plus button. In the from, click on this pencil icon, select the from, done. And then to area, again go to the pencil icon, select the area, then done. Again you can add multiple areas. Then in the client you can add the client. You can add retailers. In the visit with you can also add visit with the junior and senior we want to visit with. Then in the remarks, add the remark if you have any. Then click on the plan to save it. Click on OK. Now you can do the same thing for the whole of the month by repeating this above process. Now coming back, you can click on this refresh button on right top of the screen to send your TP to your manager and head office for the approval. The data is syncing. Keep in mind that your internet is on while syncing the data to the server.